You want to take my crown, you have a way which is so. Pick up the eagle and maybe pigeon so.
Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. People, me telling us Beenie love the fucker too. The man this cartel wicked. Look how long Beenie man no find a hit song. And just because the people in my crown Kartel the king of dancehall, he no sit well with Beenie. Beenie think him slick though. Beenie a try drop a song fast. Worse like when him a get some traction now.
Miss Blood Clot, just time.
Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Fly past them Porsche, me Maserati. A Birkin full of cash, no rich, me wealthy. Exercise me gun figure, keep me trigger healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty.
So you know the song Beenie man I say yo, him fly past them Porsche in a Maserati. Remember Kartel dropped the new Porsche the other day, you know. The man all I say I want to Humpty Dumpty. Well Beenie, me still a go give you credit still, you know, as one of the best performers in a dancehall. But me have some news for you still. Kartel a go make it clear say yo, it ain't a clash thing with Beenie. The man I say yo, a straight positivity him a deal with. Family, business, money and God.
Gaza Nation, it has come to my attention that people are saying Vybz Kartel is involved in a clash or some lyrical feud. And let me reassure you guys, nation, nothing could be further from the truth. Yeah? A positivity Vybz Kartel are dealing right now. Family, business, money, and God. Yeah? No clashing. We have no time for that. Positivity around here. I'm out.
The boss busy and make millions. Good try still Beenie. Me think if you release the song though, just for the love of dancehall. But the truth is, you wouldn't stand a chance in a lyrical war against Vybz Kartel.
Them did why the favor like in and to say, hey, what the song them me do? What we got to do with bad mind? What we do with some tight tool gas spin around? Now cause the business, we don't snap. Knock around. Them ain't nobody's got a short going out down. We do it for bank account, them might do it for the crowd. She said the love so back, she want to do it for she mouth. Stop watch and chatty girl boy, real fishy now. Who want to be rich, ever pre-rich yo. You want to take my crown, you have a way which is so. Pick up the eagle and maybe pigeon so.